The popularity of electric bikes has surged in recent years, thanks to advancements in battery technology that offer improved reliability and extended range. Today, consumers can choose from a wide array of e-bike options, spanning various categories such as fat tire, mountain, and cargo models. This diversity caters to different riding preferences and needs, making electric bikes an increasingly attractive option for many cyclists. There are many folding electric bikes to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best folding electric bike from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Epkurasi e-bikes for adults. The Epkurasi e-bikes for adults is a high-performance electric bicycle designed for urban commuters and adventure seekers alike. Powered by a robust 400 motor and a 4080 V15 lithium battery, this e-bike can reach speeds up to 20 mph and tackle 25 slopes with ease. With a range of 32 miles on pure electric mode, it's perfect for daily commutes and weekend excursions. The bike features a comprehensive shock absorption system, including a mid-mounted shock absorber, hydraulic shock absorber, seat pack double spring shock, and riser spring shock, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy terrain. Built with high carbon steel, the frame offers durability and safety, while the high-density sponge seat provides comfort during long rides. Number 2. Hitway electric bike for adults. The Hitway electric bike for adults is a powerful 20-fat e-bike designed for versatility and performance. Its 3.0 professional fat tires offer exceptional durability and puncture resistance, allowing riders to confidently tackle diverse terrains from city streets to mountain trails, snow, and sand. Powered by a robust 750Y40 ATB motor, this e-bike easily conquers 25-degree slopes and boasts an impressive range of 55 120 km on a single 4 or 5-hour charge with its removable 14A battery. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame, weighing just 27.7 GU, features a foldable design for convenient transport and storage. Rider comfort is ensured by the hollow seat design, which also prevents water accumulation. Safety features include an informative LCD display and integrated lights. Number 3. Vivi electric bike for adults. The Vivi electric bike for adults is a powerful and versatile folding e-bike designed for urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike. Featuring a robust 4080 V500 and high-speed brushless motor, this e-bike effortlessly conquers hills, gravel, and city streets, reaching speeds up to 20 mph for quick and efficient travel. The premium configuration includes double shock absorption for a smooth ride, a professional 21-speed transmission system, and front and rear disc brakes for optimal safety and control in various weather conditions. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame folds quickly for easy storage and transport, while double-walled aluminum alloy rims offer durability and reduced drag. The 26-strong anti-slip tires provide excellent traction on diverse terrains, from rain-slicked roads to sandy paths. Convenient features include a bright LED headlamp for night riding, a thumb throttle for effortless acceleration, and a detachable waterproof line design for simple accessory replacement. Number 4. Sailnovo folding electric bike. The Sailnovo folding electric bike is a versatile and compact e-bike designed for urban commuters and casual riders. Offering 3 riding modes, full electric, pedal assist, and manual, this bike adapts to various needs and preferences with a maximum load capacity of 264.5 lbs and suitable for riders 4'10" to 5'10" tall. It accommodates a wide range of users. Powered by a 36F10 4A lithium battery and a 350 motor, the Sailnovo reaches speeds up to 18.6 mph, making short trips and daily commutes effortless. The convenient LCD display shows battery life and speed information. Safety features include front and rear disc brakes, 14-inch air-filled tires for stability, and a bright LED headlamp with horn for night riding. The folding design allows for easy storage and transport, perfect for those with limited space. Number 5. Jason E3 electric bike. The Jason E3 electric bike is a compact and efficient urban mobility solution, perfect for commuters and city dwellers with limited space. Despite its small 14-inch frame, this e-bike packs a powerful punch with a 350 motor and 36F75A battery, offering an impressive 20-mile range and top speed of 21 mph. Riders can choose between pure electric, pedal assist, or normal bike modes, Adapting to various terrains and preferences, the clear display screen provides essential information like speed, distance, and battery life, ensuring full control over your journey. The EB3's standout feature is its foldable design with collapsible handlebars and pedals, making it incredibly portable and easy to store in small apartments, offices, or car trunks. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.